Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. So for today's video, we're going to cook or make monggo recipe. So this is Helen Tanya Moore. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. Wanna know how we make it? Let's go! Ingredients, we need the moringa leaves or the malunggay. We also need the monggo seeds or the mong seeds. We also need chicken, and then onion, pepper, bell pepper, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes. And we also need some lettuce and pumpkins. And these are our spices: Maggi cubes, salt, curry powder, mixed spice, bell pepper, masala powder, and turmeric powder. So first step, we're going to preheat the pan, and then we're going to add a little bit of cooking oil. So when it gets hot, we are going to add our garlic. Let it golden brown, and then we're going to add our onion. So this recipe is very easy. You can make it as a soup or ulam with rice, or you can eat it without rice. Then after that, we're going to add the ginger or the luya, and then the sili or the pepper, then kamatis or tomato. Then just mix it. Then we add our chicken or ang ating manok. And then, pagkatapos nun, isusunod naman natin yung ating mga spices. So first, we add the black pepper. Then mix. And after that, we add all the spices. The one I mentioned earlier. Turmeric, the masala, and the curry powder. And also the salt. And then, this time we add the chicken cube, and then just mix them. Then after that, we're going to add our mong seeds or the monggo seeds. So I just already clean it, and then we just add to our recipe. Then this time we're going to add water. So we use the boiled water, so the recipe will be cooked fast. Ayan. So madali lang siyang sundan. Masarap na at pwede pong kainin even hot or cold season. So as you can see, luto na yung ating monggo. So we add the pumpkin and the bell pepper. So let it boil for about 1 minute. And then we add the leaves, the lettuce, and the malunggay or the moringa leaves. So that's it. It's just very easy. Just cover it. And then serve. By the way, shout out to Madam Manula and to my Madam Manula and to Mama Oda and to all the OFW here in Kuwait, all my friends, shout out. So after we cover for about 1 minute, now we can serve it. And shout out to Arlene Alim and to my palangga. So that's it. Just easy and delicious. So why don't you try it? So thanks for watching. Bye bye.